What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit Hobby Shop, back for another video. And boy, do I have a treat for you guys today. So this 1918 over 7 Denver Buffalo nickel is justifiably recognized as one of the most important 20th century numismatic rarities. This bold over date is rare in circulated grades, very rare in mint state, and almost impossible to find in gem mint condition. For years, the 1918 over 7 D nickel was considered the rarest and the most valuable of the Buffalo series. However, in recent years, the 1916 double die obverse has taken its place. Now, this coin was actually not discovered until 1930. And this issue is usually fairly well struck. Something that is really good to note for all genuine 1918 over 7 D nickels is that the mint mark tilts to the left. Now I want to show you guys some really awesome sales that have happened over the years with heritage auctions. Check these out. Yes, guys, you saw that correct. Over $264,000 for one single coin. Just imagine if you had one of these on your hands. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with someone. And then also, if you need any coin products, I have them in the description box below. Always check your coins, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.